All right, let's get straight to it. 2018 Chevy Sonic. This is the 1.8 liter. So to change your air filter in here is pretty easy. There's this is the box that you have to remove to get to the filter. There's 2 screws in there. It's actually a T20 to get these out. So you can see that's a T20 there. So you take a T20 and you will remove them all the way out. And once they're out, then you can access this box. So there's 2 tabs on the left side. You pull to the left to slide that out. And then, boom, you can access this box. So this is your filter here. You just reach in there and slide that up and get that out. And then you can inspect your filter, look at the condition of it, or you can decide to put a new one in. So look at this. You can see all this coming out of the filter. So we're going to go ahead and recommend for a new filter. So in order to put the filter in, it's fairly easy, the same exact way as it came out. See, there's some stuff in there, so this is a good time to get some of this trash out of here. Matter of fact, I'm going to get a vacuum and I'm going to clean this out and be right back. So after dropping the new filter in, all you have to do is put those tabs in first on that side and drop this left side down. And now we can start to work our screws back in there. I'm not going to screw it all the way down until I get both screws started. See how easy that was, and we didn't have to disconnect any wiring, so we didn't have to remove the negative battery terminal. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to replace the air filter on this car.